In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a bar chart in Excel that will automatically change the color of whichever bar is the largest. So, as you can see, Project B had the most spends. We'll just say Project B topped it. And as you can see now, Project D is the bar in red, but Project E was $5,000. We added 0. And as you can see, now that is the largest bar. Project A, 7,500, for example, and so on and so forth. So to do this, I'm going to copy and paste this data over into another sheet and then show you how to do it. So here we have projects and project spends. And here we want to make two additional columns which we will ultimately make the graph from. We want to have the default spends and then the max spends. And ultimately what we're going to do is we're going to make a grouped bar chart, but we're going to overlap the data series and with each of these being a different data series. To show what I mean by that, first we want to have the default spend where this is just going to have the dollar value whenever it is not the max spend. So we do this, we're going to use an if formula, so equals if this is not equal to the max of this range, we're going to have it be the value, or we're going to have it blank. Going to go through and lock in these cells real quick and go down. And as you can see, everything else is showing up in this column except for Project A, because that's the most expensive one. Now we're going to format these as currency real quick. Alt H N C, then Alt H9, Alt H9 real quick. And now we're going to have the second data series, which is your max spend. So equals if this is equal to the max of this range, we're going to have it be this value. And if not, then that's okay, because it's going to be blank. We're going to lock in these cells real quick, function F4, and then boom. And as you can see, now we have a default spend column and the max spend column. And the default spend column is everything that isn't a max for the range, and the max spend is what is the max of the range. Now we're going to make a graph based on these two columns. To do this, we're going to highlight the data, go to the Insert tab, then we're going to want to go to Recommended Charts right here. Going to want to click on All Charts, and going to want to click on the Clustered Column chart right here. And click on this one to the right. Okay. And as you can see, now it's almost kind of sort of doing that, but it looks a little weird because the bars are off-centered. To make this chart look right, we want to right-click on the data series and format data series. We want to go to these three bars on the left side right here. We want to have the series overlap be 100%, right? We want these two data ranges to be fully overlapping. And now we want these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to adjust this to where is the project name instead. So to do that, we're going to click on the chart, click on the plus, or click on the filter, my bad, and we're going to want to adjust the category names by clicking on select data. We're going to click on edit for the horizontal category axis label. We're going to want to select this range right here. Okay? Now there you have it. Now you're going to want to do a bit of formatting to get this to look like this. But as you can see though, the concept works, and we change this to 8,000. Automatically the project C is now the most expensive project. Change project D to 8,500. Things are getting expensive, but as you can see, the bar chart changes color. A quick formatting tip to get this chart to look like this. We're going to want to type project spend summary as a category. Going to make everything black font. You're going to want to adjust the default spend to be a fill for a gray. You want the max spend to be in red. And now whenever something gets to be very expensive, like 8,700 for project C, or 8,900, that's adjusting in the wrong column. 8,900, as you can see, project C changes colors. That's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.